Hi, I'm Kendra from CGW Magazine. I'm here at SIGGRAPH 2023 with Ewan from Arcturus, and he's here to tell us about a new announcement that they have at the show. Would you like to tell us about what you have on display today?
Great, yes, I would love to. So at Arcturus, we've been specialists in volumetric video post-production tools, and that's a mouthful. So the simple way to think about it is this is the way that we bring human performance into spatial experiences, whether that is XR, AR, or virtual production for filmmaking. There are two things that we've been premiering at SIGGRAPH today. One of them is our advanced codec that really enables high performance, high fidelity playback of this content, which I'll be demonstrating here. And the second is our partnership with Microsoft, which brings capture into our production pipeline. We had always been an agnostic system working with many vendors across the ecosystem to capture human performance and bring it to creators. And now we also provide some of the best quality capture in the world. So it becomes a full stack pipeline for us. So what we have here is a real-time scene playing back on a standard or desktop machine. The environment itself is a synthetic environment, but every single one of these performers is an actual person who is captured live. This creates several amazing opportunities from the creative process. One, as a director, when I'm working with the actors to capture the performance, I get to see the wardrobe in real time, I get to interact with the performers, and have that real creative dialogue and direction and back and forth between what I want to achieve with the performance and who they are and how they perform. It's much more fluid than working with digital doubles where you have to animate them and then wait for a couple of weeks for the animators to finish the process before you can see it and iterate. And then second, when I'm working with it inside of a game engine, doing the staging, doing the blocking of the camera work, I'm able to respond and move as fluidly as I can think. It's the closest equivalent of a true live action filmmaking process when working in a computer and making digital films. So in a nutshell, what we love is that we're bringing life to the digital experiences and making it easy to build large-scale human performance actions for video walls.
That's wonderful. And how does this relate into the overall evolution of CG characters in filmmaking?
Great. So it's a very natural evolution, and one of the things that really makes a dramatic change to the timing and length of time it takes to produce content. So if you think about the traditional process of creating a digital double or a digital character, you would have to spend a lot of time envisioning the design. You'd have a team of designers working on that. And then you'd have modelers, riggers, surface artists, all working to try to create that exact semblance of reality. This would take months with hundreds of people. Now you can just go and film it. And so it radically shrinks the amount of time it takes to produce a character. It creates a higher fidelity, more realistic character, and it reduces the over number of people involved in the process so that you can be more direct with the entire process of creating the characters.
That's excellent. Well, thank you so much, Ewan. I
My
really
pleasure.
appreciate you taking the time to tell us about this new technology.
Absolutely my pleasure.